Yeah. Lit it up, I'm the one that's feeling on fire. It's lit. Live it up, looking at my G, we go higher. I earn the whole shit. Hope you're hearing that. Call my man and I'll make a man low. Flowing Mauritius, making wishes for all these bitches, yeah. Hitting so vicious, making riches in all these cities, yeah. Hey, going shopping, people popping for all these bitches, yeah. Say that I'm flopping, still you copping, so why you knocking at my door? I don't care about what you wanna do, I just ignore. You gon' keep on charging like a bull, I'm at the door. I'ma dress up how I fucking like, it's my decor. I'ma fuck up how I fucking like, wait. Nigga, I'm independent, no one talking that condescending. Say that my time is ending, still I kill it and go ascending. I'm in control, doing shit you don't know. I'm a sinning, living, winning, moving like I'm J. Cole. I can do what I want. I can do what I want. I can do what I want, and no one here stopping me. No one here stopping me. Gotta let them know I'm uncontrollable. I'm rooted when they roll with me. Gotta let them know I'm uncontrollable. Being who I wanna be. No way, no way, no way, no way, no way you're controlling me. No way, no way, no way, no way, no way you're not holding me. I don't wanna know. Counting all the blessings, then I leave it all for sure.
See, I'm something you can't control. They don't wanna see me mad that they can't control. I make moves and tell my account and roll. I ain't part of the system, I can't enroll. So I'm due to blow like when the blast implodes. From the inside out, when I keep it raw. I can tell that they're fake, but I can't expose. And I got that drive and don't need that gas when I'm sat like the cars that charge on rolls. I'm in hearts, I'm in master mode. Hustler by nature. Can't you hear my grafter tone? Won't stop to the shards, my home is the B.I.G. Man, I'm bigger than a bird. Man talk bad and they're getting on my nerves. They used to say music with a word. Man, I don't work a couple months for I'm getting from a verse. I bet they're all regretting all the words. Try woman and send them in a hearse. From an ends where brothers bust weapons in his skirt. Still I see it as a blessing and a curse. It made me diverse when I've been through worse. But now they can't fuck with the plans. Man, I'm happy where I am, yeah, I'm finishing first. And I'm making moves. I don't care for hating zoo. I start cutting up kids like real quick, start blazing you. You see bare gun thing.